Okay, so I'm gonna be singing "Dreaming of You" by Selena because it's Cinco de Mayo, and I wanna celebrate it by singing a song. Because I didn't get to go see my mariachi. I'm just kidding, but I just wanna sing the song because I like it, and to celebrate her and her rest in peace. So here I go. Late at night when all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I wish on a star that somewhere you are thinking of me too. As I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow, I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. I wonder if you ever see me, and I wonder if you know I'm there. And I look in your eyes, if you say what's inside, would you even care? I just wanna hold you close, but so far all I have are dreams of you. So I wait for the day, for the courage to say how much I love you. Yes, I do. I'll be dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. I can't stop dreaming. Late at night when all the world is sleeping, stay up and think of you. I still can't believe she came up to me and said, I love you, I love you too. Well, I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'm all of the night, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming of you and with me. And there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming, dreaming. Hope you like it. I suck, but it's okay. Just I hope you like it. Subscribe, like, dislike, do what you gotta do.